Good morning, student. Subject EVS. Lesson number 4 Water. All students, now I explain the lesson. Okay. Students, all living things need water. All living things means people, animals, trees, fish, birds. There are living things. We cannot live without water. We get water from lakes, rivers, and ponds. From where do the lakes, rivers, and ponds get water? You know, students, that we know that the upper parts of mountains are covered with snow, and during the summer this snow melt and change into water. This water comes down in form of streams and rivers. Student, this is a stream and this is a river. Snow melted, so this water comes down in form of streams and river. Let's see next topic, sources of water. The current season is rainy season. Okay, so rain is the main source of water. It fills river, lakes and ponds. Students, our current season is the rainy season. So rain is the main source of water. It fills rivers, lakes and ponds. We get drinking water from rivers and lakes and ponds. Some water goes into soil. It is called underground water. We get drinking water from rivers, lakes and ponds. Some water goes into soil. It is called underground water. We get underground water from wells, tube wells and hand pumps. This is well, tube well and hand pumps. Hand pumps. Underground water from wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Okay, got it, student? Student, let's see next topic. How we get pure drinking water. Students, I ask you one question. Where does the tap water that comes into your house come from? Where does the tap water that comes into your house come from? Water come from rivers, lakes and ponds. Students, water come from river, lakes and ponds. Before water reach our homes from rivers, it is collected in tanks and purified in water treatment plants. Then it is supplied to our homes through underground pipes. Okay, student, got it? Water comes from river, lakes, ponds. Before water reaches our homes from rivers, it is collected in tanks and purified in water treatment plants. Then it is supplied to our home through underground pipes. At home, we get water from taps. It may contain germs that can make us sick. We can kill these germs by boiling it, or we can kill the germ by using a water purifier. Students, we can kill this germ by boiling the water and water filter. By using the water filter, etc. Example, AquaGuard, Pureit, Kent, etc. Nowadays, electronic water filter are connected to tap to get pure water. This is the electronic water filter are connected to directly tap and to get water, pure water. Okay, got it, student? Students, next topic is water pollution. Human beings are responsible for making the water dirty. Human beings means students, we are responsible for making the water dirty. Dirty water from gutter and companies. Dirty water comes from gutters and companies. Washing clothes on river bank, that is a reason for making the water dirty. Garbage thrown in the water bodies. Student, we are responsible for making the water dirty. Dirty water comes from gutter or companies. And washing clothes on river banks, that is the main reason for making the water dirty. And garbage thrown in water bodies. Okay, understood, student? Water pollution. We should stop making water dirty. Dirty water is bad for our health. Dirty water is bad for our health. It is bad for the plants and animals too. Okay, got it, student? Students, now we solve multiple choice questions, MCQs. Tick right the correct answer. Snow melts and comes down in the form of snow melts and comes down in the form of rivers. Snow melts and comes down in the forms of rivers. Second question. Washing clothes on river bank causes dash pollution. A. Water. B. Noise. C. Soil. Answer is water. Washing clothes on river banks causes water pollution. Student, first question answer is rivers and the second question answer is water. Okay, got it student? So let's see the next topic. Water is precious. Save it. In summer, many lakes and rivers dry up. People in villages do not get enough water. We face shortage of water. In cities too. We face shortage of water in cities too. So it is our duty to save water and use it wisely. You too can save water. Follow the tips given below. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth and turn off the tap properly to avoid leakage. Okay, got it student? Students, you should follow these tips. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth and turn off the tap properly to avoid leakage. Okay, got it student? Student, next tip is third tip. Collect rainwater and use it for washing or watering plants. 4. Use a bucket of water to take a bath. Using a shower is a fun, but it wastes a lot of water. Use a bucket of water to take a bath. Using a shower is a fun, but it wastes a lot of water. 5th tip. Do not throw the leftover water of your bottle. Use it to water the plants. Okay? Understood students? All these tips, you follow these tips in your life. Okay? Got it student? Okay, thank you students.